Hello friends, I'm Saurabh. Let's have a look at another interesting problem today, which is how to implement a fair coin from a given unfair coin. So the problem statement is, given an unfair coin where probability of heads coming up is P and tails is 1 minus P, implement a fair coin from the given unfair coin. Now let's have a look at the algorithm for solving this problem. We need to create a system which returns heads and tails with equal probability. Let us define an event in this system. An event is defined as flipping the unfair coin twice. Let us observe probability of all possible events that can occur in the system. So when we flip an unfair coin twice, what are the possible events we can observe? We can have 4 types of events. First is when we get heads in both the flips. Second is when we get tails in both the flips. Third is when we get heads in the first flip and tails in the second. And fourth is when we get tails in the first flip and heads in the second. So event 1 is getting heads in both flips. Then probability of event 1 is probability of getting heads in flip 1 multiplied by probability of getting heads in flip 2. So probability is P into P, which is P square. Similarly for event 2, probability of getting tails in both the flips is 1 minus P into 1 minus P, which is 1 minus P square. For event 3, probability of heads coming up in the first flip and tails in the second is P into 1 minus P. For event 4, probability of tails coming up in the first flip and heads in the second flip is 1 minus P into P. If you observe carefully, you would notice that events 3rd and 4th occur with equal probability of P into 1 minus P. So, if we ignore events 1st and 2nd of getting both heads or tails, since they have different probabilities, we are left with events 3rd and 4th which occur with equal probability. Now let us design a system where we keep generating events until we get 3rd or 4th event, and then return value which comes up in the first flip of that event. In other words, keep flipping the unfair coin 2 at a time until they come up with different values, then return value of first flip of the coin out of the 2 flips. Let us prove that the probability of getting heads or tails is same in this system. So probability of getting heads in this system is probability of getting heads in the first flip given that 2 flips resulted in different values. Okay? And the probability of getting tails in this system is probability of getting tails in the first flip given that 2 flips resulted in different values. As these are conditional probabilities, we apply Bayes' theorem. So according to Bayes' theorem, for 2 events A and B, probability of A given that B has occurred is equal to probability of A multiplied by probability of B given that A has occurred divided by probability of B. Let us see how this is applied to our problem. Again, as we have seen previously, probability of getting heads in this system is probability of getting heads in the first flip given that 2 flips resulted in different values. So here event A is getting heads in the first flip and event B is getting different values in the 2 flips. Now let's calculate probability of event A first. So probability of getting heads in the first flip is same as probability of getting heads on flipping a coin. So it is P. Now let's calculate probability of event B, which is getting different values in the 2 flips. So it is same as probability of getting heads in the first flip and tails in the second flip, or getting tails in the first flip and heads in the second flip, which is same as probability of event 3 plus probability of event 4. So it is P into 1 minus P plus 1 minus P into P, which is equal to 2P into 1 minus P. Now if you look at the Bayes' theorem at the top, we have already calculated P of A and P of B. Now let's calculate probability of B given that A has already occurred. Now here probability of B given that A has already occurred is probability of getting different values in both flips given that first flip is heads. Let's visualize it. We want to have different values in both flips and it is given that flip 1 is heads. So to have different values in both flips, flip 2 needs to be tails. So here probability of B given that A has already occurred is same as probability that second coin is tails, which is 1 minus B. Now we have all the values. So probability of getting heads in this system is probability of A, which is P, into probability of B given that A has already occurred, which is 1 minus P, divided by probability of B, which is 2P into 1 minus P. So the result here is 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of getting tails in this system is also 1 by 2. Hence, we have proved that the probability of getting heads or tails in this system is same. Now sometimes this problem is also asked as given a function f which returns true with probability p and false with probability 1 minus p. Write a new function which returns true and false with equal probability. Now we know the solution to this problem and can easily code it. The pseudocode would look like this. Have you checked our iDeserve web portal at www.iDeserve.co.in? The algorithms are explained in visually appealing manner, which helps in better visualization of the problem. The website also has features like algorithm visualization and learn together. Do check it out and leave us a comment there as well. We have also started taking in contribution from the community. If you are interested in that, please email us at iDeserve.co.in@gmail.com. Please let us know your valuable suggestion on current topic. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our iDeserve channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.